Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry. In this edition, we're going to do a really quick version of a garlic shrimp recipe that I have that's really flavorful. We're going to start with about a pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined and the tails left on. We're also going to use fresh garlic chopped. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, like the channel, and share with your friends and family. We're also using about a cup of cilantro chopped as well. Now I'll be using my wok, but you can use a skillet as well. If you're using a wok, you want to heat it up for about 30 seconds to a minute. Add your oil. I'm using sesame oil here, and make sure you get a good coating on the bottom. Once you get the oil warmed up, you want to add about half your garlic. I'm only adding half because fresh garlic has a different flavor profile than cooked garlic. So I want to use some of the cooked garlic with the shrimp and add the fresh garlic later. You then want to add your fresh shrimp, and you want to toss and saute those until they're a bright orange. I also use some chicken bouillon for flavor, about a half teaspoon. I sprinkled that in, and I also added about a tablespoon of butter. Once you get the butter in, add the rest of your garlic and about 3/4 of your cilantro. The rest you can use for garnish. You want to mix that in really well until everything is infused together and well coated. And that's basically it. All you want to do now is plate up your garlic shrimp and you're good to go. It's as easy as that, folks. Thanks again for joining us for another edition of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry. And remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel with your family and friends. And leave a comment for us as well. Until next time, so long.